Oh yes, here I am again, but today I am checking the supers, not of the 3 hives I did yesterday, but these were the ones I span at the beginning of the week and returned to them 48 hours ago, and I'm checking to see if they have cleaned those supers that had residue of honey in them. So let's go inside. Oh, roof off, crown board off. Ooh, lots of bees, lots of bees. Pop it by the entrance. There we go. And let's have a look through these to see if they've cleaned them off. Ooh, wow, yes they have. Look at those. See what I mean? Remember the ones from yesterday? All sticky? I'm sure they've done the same all the way through. Look at these girls. I don't need to do that, actually. I can just pop that there. I can whiz through this. Yeah. Job done, girls. Job done. Well done. Well done. Yeah, all the way through. So, put that one back in there. Doesn't matter that it was at the back and is now at the front because there's nothing in there. Now I'm just going to lift this box. Ooh, a lot of bees down there, guys. Here we go. There's a whole lot of bees going on in there. Look at them. It's okay. They'll squash down into the brew box some way or another. You see there was a lot of bees in there, so what I'm going to do now is pop this clearer board on. Okay, clearer board on. I don't need an eek because this here is their space, this one here. Let's pop this empty super, light as a feather, if you please, on top. Ah, wait a minute. Sorry. I do want them to go down. Sorry, I do want them to go down. So I'm going to put a bee space in there. This does the same job as the big one. So pop this back on here. Very light. Clever girls. Crown board. That's it. So I'm just going to tip the camera so you can see everything. Crown board. Super that they have just cleared out, and haven't they just? Clearer board. Empty space. Queen excluder. Stops the queen going up and laying eggs up there. And down here is the brood box. So they'll all go down there. They can't get back up there. All I need to do now is pop this roof back on. So tomorrow morning I will be back to replace this super underneath here with wax cappings, and yeah, they're going to love those. Any comments? Put them in the box. Any questions? Put them in the box. And thank you as always for watching. Now I wonder how much louder that thunder's going to get and if it's going to rain.